this angle okay? All right. Okay.
Yeah, star boy day for you.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you notice something different? Do you notice anything different? Obviously I'm on a red couch and I have something in the background. Welcome back to my channel. I am Z the Beauty, if you do not know. Happy 2019. Happy New Year, just in general. I know I've been gone for some time and I will give you reasons why I have been gone for so long. I did post an update to my blog recently. One of the biggest things that have happened to me in the ending of 2018 was moving. I have completely moved out of New York. So now I am in Connecticut. Me and my family bought a house in Connecticut. Yeah, so that's a completely huge change for me. But there's also some other changes. If you have read my blog, if you personally know me, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know some of these changes, but I felt like I should make a video anyway. I officially moved to Connecticut in December and I like it. I have a bigger space and I am also a mother. Now, I know that's kind of shocking, but I am a mom of 2 beautiful little ones. Honestly, like being a mom has been very, very challenging, but also rewarding at the same time. I can completely relate with my mother now, like when she had me. Like even though it was only me and even though I wasn't difficult, like I could completely relate. I love them so much, but they get on my nerves every single day. I have a boy and a girl. I am going to show you my little ones. I'll be right back. So my first little one is Tobi. I'm a dog mom, obviously. So this is my little one, Tobi. He is 2 years old and he is only like 4.7 pounds. He's a Yorkie, as you could see. He's very, very small. But this is my first baby and I got him in the ending of November. I had him when I was still in New York for the last 2 weeks. He's like my first love and my special one because I don't know, like when I first got him, it was like an instant love and I knew that I wanted to take him home. Say hi, Tobi. Okay. Now everyone, this is Honey. Hi, Honey. Honey bunny. Tobi just jumped on the couch. But this is Honey, who's trying to bite me right now. Play by me. She is about 5 months old, 5 to 6 months. Hey, stop it. I got her in the ending of December or ending of November, early December. They told me that she was 3 months. She is still teething, so we are working on that. We're also working on potty training. But this is my second love, who's very human-like and I don't know, like she's kind of crazy too. But Honey, say hi. She's obviously like way bigger than Tobi, but her breed is a schnoodle, which is a schnauzer and a poodle. They're extremely playful, as you can see, as she's fidgeting. The reason why I got 2 dogs is because I always wanted another dog. So when I got Tobi, I was super ecstatic, but I was working and I just felt completely bad leaving him. He was just lonely, so I got Honey, who was eating my hair. Okay, so that they could keep each other company, as well as I wanted them to make some puppies. Honey, you're gonna go down because you are very active right now and won't stay still. So Honey, say bye. Bye. She looks just like a teddy bear, which is what I love the most. But she is a piece of work, as you guys can see, so she's gone. Oh, also my dogs have Instagram pages. If you are interested in following with my dogs, want to see cute dog pictures and videos and stuff, you can check out their Instagram. Now Tobi's Instagram is hurricane_Tobi, so that's where you could find him. And then Honey can be found at honey_the_schnoodle. For some reason, she always wants to eat my hand. And I don't know why. Okay. The reason I look kind of like this, I just came back from an interview. I had a really early interview, by the way. It was 8:30 a.m. so it was like an hour away. And oh, I got a car. I got a beautiful orange car. I'll probably insert a picture somewhere in this video so you guys could see. Got it when I was still in New York because I knew when I moved to Connecticut, especially the town that I live in, that I knew I needed to have a car, and I'm happy with my car. My car is so beautiful, and it's also my other baby. She doesn't have a name, and surprisingly, not until I wrote my blog, my car didn't have a gender. I figured she's a she for some reason. Maybe I'll have a name, I don't know. And you guys, you'll be so surprised at how much came out of that apartment. And it was like a 2-bedroom apartment. I was so surprised at how much came out. Oh my gosh, like the stuff we had in the apartment was able to fit this whole house. And the other updates, well, I said I was going to an interview, so obviously I do not work at my previous job anymore. I will be updating my drink recipes. I recently created a new drink and I'll be posting that soon. I'm really excited because 2018 was kind of a big year for me, and I believe 2019 is full of more surprises. Thank you for, I know I didn't have that many subscribers already, but I'm really grateful for those who sticked around, and I'm grateful for the new ones that were coming in or people who see this video. I hope everyone had a really good 2018, and if you didn't, 2019, I hope it'll be better for you. I hope we all, you know, be leveling up in 2019. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.
1 liter, say 1 liter. 1 liter, say 1 yacha.